The final tab inside the Settings section is App and URL Classification. This page gives you a complete overview of all applications and URLs accessed by your members. You'll see a table where each row represents an app or URL detected by the OrbityTrack client. The first column shows the description. This description is automatically tracked by OrbityTrack, meaning it's not defined or created manually by the user. Next to each description, you'll see an icon. A computer icon indicates that the item is an application. A globe icon indicates that it's a URL. The second column displays the category, what that app or URL is related to. There are several categories you can choose from, such as shopping, communication, design, development, education, and many others. The third column is the classification, where you define whether the app or URL is productive, unclassified, or unproductive. Your choices here directly influence other sections of the platform, especially the productivity view, helping you understand whether members are accessing productive environments or not. And the final column is the action column, where you'll find the edit icon. Clicking it opens a modal allowing you to update that specific app or URL. Inside this modal you'll see the description, which is locked since it's tracked automatically, the category, which you can freely select, and the classification, where you set if it's productive, unclassified, or unproductive. Once you're done, just click Save, and the changes will be applied to that specific item. You can also sort the description, category, and classification columns alphabetically, from A to Z or from Z to A. Above the table, you'll find several filter options. On the left, there's a search bar where you can search by description, perfect for locating a specific app or URL someone has accessed. Next to it, you'll find the filters, where you can refine the list by type, showing only applications, only URLs, or both. Category, selecting which categories should appear. Classification, viewing only productive, only unclassified, or only unproductive items. After selecting your filters, click the filter button on the top right corner of the table. To return to the default view, simply click the X next to the filter button. In the upper right corner, you'll also see the bulk update button. This feature lets you update multiple items at once, a huge time saver when managing large lists. To use it, simply select the apps or URLs from the left side of the table and click Bulk Update. A modal will open showing the number of items selected, the field you want to update, and the new value you want to apply. For example, you can select multiple entries and change their classification to unproductive with a single action. Just click Update and all selected apps or URLs will be updated instantly. In summary, the App and URL Classification tab gives you total control over how every application and URL is categorized and classified inside OrbityTrack. This feeds directly into your productivity insights, helping you keep your environment organized, intentional, and perfectly aligned with your company's workflow.